Hello friends, how do you hope you are fine? So in the previous video you can see we're done with this billing info object. Okay, we get all the data from here. Okay, and when I click on save button, so all the record added to this record array list. Okay, so we done till here, but one more thing we have to do, we also have to reduce the quantity that are selected in medical list. Okay, medicines list. So what we have to do here you can see we will be able to get the current quantity of that particular selected medicine. Okay, so we create int current quantity, okay, and which is equal to this one, but this one is at index 3, sorry, index 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is the current quantity, and we also have the medicine ID int current ID, which is equal to this one. Okay, so now it's time to reduce that quantity. So we also have a medical medicines list. Okay, so we need to create a for loop and int j, which is equal to 0 and j less than all medicines dot size and I plus plus now what we have to do, we have to reduce the quantity from original medicine. So all medicines, if we need to add a condition, if all medicines dot get at current index. Okay, current index is j dot get id double equal the current id. Okay, so what we have to do, all medicines dot quantity dot get quantity. Okay, so we get at j dot get quantity, so we set quantity. Okay, so all medicines, what we have to pass here, all medicines dot get at j dot get quantity minus current quantity. Okay, so we done with this one. You can see we get the current quantity and subtract the current quantity and again set the value. Okay, so this is how you can done with all the medicines, okay, that are selected in this medicine list. Okay, so now it's time to save the data. Okay, so we need to save two things. First of all, we need to save the medicine list. Okay, so we simply need to copy save data function from here. Okay, save all data, control C, and in the checkup we need to paste this function. Okay, save all data. Okay, so you need to paste like that, but I think I already paste this one. Okay, so let me check where I paste this one. You can see I have to remove the data that I paste here. Okay, so we need to paste this function here, save all data, and it write all the data in this all medicine list. Okay, so we done with this one, but we need to write all the record. Okay, so what we have to do, all the record in the billing info. Okay, so we again need to paste this one save all record, okay, our billing info data. So where we need to store this data, we need to store this data in this record class, okay. And here what we have to do, we have to we have to run a loop till the size, okay, record dot size file writer dot write. So what we need to write here, first of all we need to record and get patient ID. Then we need to write record dot get at I dot get current date like doctor fees. So doctor fees at 0 and 1 index. Then we need to write doctor fee and recommendation, okay, record dot get at I dot get and recommendation. So then we need to write the date, okay. After this we need to create a for loop, okay. Let me show you. Record dot get at I dot get date. So you can see we're done with this one, but at here we need to add a semicolon, okay. So what we have to do after this one, file writer dot write, but here we need to add a for loop for int j to 0, j less than record dot get. So we store this in temp array list, okay, array list of type integer and name it as temp, which is equal to record dot get at I dot get medicines, okay, temp dot size, and we need to increment j by 1. So file writer dot write and what we have to do here, simply temp dot get at j, and we need a splitter comma here, okay. So now you can see we're done with this one. So in this format we have to store all the record, okay. Like let me show you in a text file format, I type here in a comment like in which format our data is stored. You can see first of all I write ID and then put semicolon, okay, then patient ID like that. So the patient ID and then doctor fee and then some recommendation like a text string, okay, and then date. So date in this format like that. But for the you can see for all the medicines ID, so I put like medicine ID 1, 2, 3. So this one is our another splitter, okay. So when we need to get all the record, we have to get the ID and split by comma, and then we will be able to get all the IDs. So this is way how can we process it all, okay. So we done with this one. Now it's time to check its functionality, like it's working okay or not. So what we have to do here, we have to open home page, and in the home page check up event, mouse click the event, and here what we have to do, Control C, Control V, but here I need to change the object name like checkup. Okay, so we're done with this one. In the checkup design for the home, I think it's work fine, but design I want to open in the middle of screen, properties, code, generate resize code, okay, generate center, okay, close. Now I run this software and check if it is working fine or not. So I have to put the password. So you can see we done all these one, okay, and only these two remaining that dependent on this checkup. Okay, so first of all I need to put a patient. You can see all the patients are available here. So I put the ID one and name, and name, okay, age 8 and gender female, address USA, contact +1 2 3 4 5, okay, like that, and save this one. You can see the record is saved. Now home page, medicines, add a new medicine like 1 2, and name like any medicine name, selling price is this one, buying price is this one, quantity is this one, okay, description is for her, and save this one. So it's successfully saved. Home page, checkup. So patient ID is 1, doctor fee is 320, 23, and recommendation 8 medicines day and night, okay. So here I wanna recommend this medicine, quantity 23, add medicine, and I also wanna recommend this medicine, and quantity 22, and save. So let me check the record is saved in a file or not. Okay, so I have to open the documents, NetBeans, I'll copy HMS and data. Now you can see this one is medical. So because I didn't call the record function in the save, when I click on save file. So let me show you. When I click on this save button, what we have to do, we have to call these two functions, okay. So save medical data, save record data, J option pen dot show message dialog. Here we need to pass null, and save fully. Now here we need to generate the bill, okay. So let me check the price, okay. So here I create a string bill, which is equal to by default null. Okay, so then we need to put the medicine name with price. Okay, so bill plus is equal to, and here we need to put a backslash n. So here one more thing, let me show you. For this one we need to put a backslash n at the end. Okay, so at the end of for loop we need to put a line splitter. So file writer dot write, so dot append or write dot write, and here we need to put backslash n. Okay, and save this one. So now open this function. Okay, for generate bill. So here we need to put a semicolon, and bill plus is equal to we need to put it here control X and control V. So here we need to put all medicines dot get at j dot get name. So we need to put a concatenation, and the price is equal to all medicines dot get at j dot get selling price. So here we need to int total, which is equal to 0. So total plus is equal to this selling price, control C, control V, control Z. Let me copy this one and paste it here. So we're done with this one. Okay, so all bill plus is equal to, and here we need to put a backslash n plus total, which is equal to total, and here we need to put your bill plus here we need to put a backslash n plus bill. Okay, done. And we need to empty all the data like P recommendation, medicine list. Okay, so we need to put empty text here. So id dot set text and null, and fee dot set text null. One more thing, recommendation rec dot set text, this is also null. M list dot set text, which is null. So save this one. Let me check one more thing. When I run this one I will show you. Okay, so I have to close this. Okay, and run it again. So here I need to put password, login, checkup, patient ID is 1 and fee is 500. So one thing is missing, I also have to put the doctor fee. Okay, so take night only M2 hat, and I need to put this one, and quantity is 5 and add. So save. I think there is an error here. Let me check that error. Okay, so I have to close this one. So here I need to put a try catch block. Okay, try catch, and I put to catch at the end. Okay, so let me check what is the error. S out tab exception. Now I run this one again. One, two, three. Doctor and login. Checkup. Patient ID is 1. 33. And I have to put the medicines. Okay. Save. I think the error is not here. So let me find out the error and then I will proceed further. So here is the error. You can see here we need to increment J. Okay, but I increment the I, so that's the error. Now I run this again and check 1, 2, 3, 4 @ doctor, login, checkup, patient ID 1, fee is around 23, and recommendation take 2 day only. Okay, like that. So I wanna recommend this medicine and 23. And I click on save. So you can see your bill, and this one is your total, but we also need to add the doctor fee. Okay, so how can we do that? We need to, here we need to display a total medicine, total medicines cost. So Control C and Control V, and here we need to display total doctor fee, which is equal to fee dot get text. So we get text from this one. Okay, and concatenate with this one. Okay, so one more thing, bill plus is equal to, so our total amount is total, which is equal to, so what we have to do here, total plus integer dot %. Okay, and here we need to pass the fee dot get text. So you can see we done all with this record menu, but one thing we need to check if our record is successfully saved or not. Okay, so let me close it all and I have to run it again. First of all let me check. our record is saved or not. Need format that I wanna. Okay, you can see our record is saved in same format, like one take today only, and this one is the date, and this one is the medicine ID. So we're done with this one. Now I run it again and check if it is working fine with more case or not. So 1 2 3 4 @doctor. Okay, so login. Let me type again. Okay, checkup. So here I wanna put the patient ID 1 and fee is 500. Recommendation: take only night. This medicine 2 times and this medicine 3. This medicine 4, 3 only, and save. You can see this is your bill, but here I need to add a line splitter also. Okay, so many gets work all fine. In the bill here we need to print, okay, a line splitter. So plus, and here \n. So you can see we're done with this class and it's working fine. So let me open the home page and design. So only reports and earning is remaining. So I will complete in the next video, and this software will complete. So let me show you the working again, and we also have to check if there is an error. Let me check the record if it is saved successfully or not. So one problem here, you can see it's not saving the previous record. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to read all the previous record and then save it. Okay, so I will also do in the next video. Here I will only show you the working. Okay, doctor, login, checkup, ID is 1, fee is 33, take medicine, like that. This and recommendation that recommended by the doctor. So this medicine 44 at, sorry, quantity is not available. 4, save. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. You can see if I open the medicine data, okay, you can see the quantity is also reducing. Okay, so this one for this medicine. Okay, let me check. So let me check for this one. Well, this one, and I have to recommend this one for 22 times to this patient, and fee is 5. Okay, and save. But we need to add this medicine, and then when I click on save, you can see. So here you can see. Let me open the file again. Okay, and quantity must be reduced. Okay, you can see it's updated. So this one is the quantity. Okay, and 23 and 01 remaining. Let me 300 times more and add this one for patient 1. Fee, any random text, save. Okay, so when I open it again, you can see this, the quantity is reduced. Okay, by 300. So hope you like this video. In the next video we will